In this evening's Ray of Hope, Jamaicans in the diaspora, alongside a local charity organization, are stepping up to restore not just buildings, but spirits after the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa. Yannick Williams reports.
Ray of Hope, brought to you by
Quartz has what you need to make home yours. Easy payment plans using Quartz Ready Finance. Quartz, make home yours.
From miles away in Atlanta, Georgia, help arrived with purpose and heart. The Elegance Bar and Grill in Atlanta has forged a meaningful alliance with the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, uniting resources and manpower to assist individuals and organizations impacted by Hurricane Melissa. Their first stop, a nursing home in Lacovia, St. Elizabeth.
We have started with St. Elizabeth, where we had gone to Safe Harbor Assisted Living Nursing Home, and we have done the roof because there are a lot of zinc had left that had flown from the hurricane, and we have repaired the roof. We would have also painted the interior of that building, and we had cleaned out the areas because the members of the KSAMC staff, along with some well-wishers that came with us, and we have done all those things. We have donated a stove to them, and we have also donated mattresses.
Without immediate intervention, the facility critical to the care of the elderly and disabled would have been forced to shut its doors. Through teamwork, the roof was repaired, allowing the infirmary to remain operational and continue serving those who depend on it most. But the mission went beyond the physical repairs. Atlanta-based Jamaicans traveled west to Clifton Boys' Home in Westmoreland, another facility affected by Hurricane Melissa.
We have given them some packages, and we have given something for the home. We wanted to look at the roof here, but this is bigger than what the KSAMC can manage. Moreover, the chairman of the board here has been reaching out to other organizations to see if they can slab the roof. So what we're doing, we're working through with them, and whatever contribution we can make at a later date, we will make our contribution.
And for the boys of Clifton, the visit was a reminder that support can come from near and far. A representative from Elegance Bar and Grill in Atlanta says this will be a sustained long-term effort rather than a short-term initiative.
It was just really a sense of civic duty for us. You know, children and the elderly, they are very vulnerable. And to be in a situation as devastating as this, I cannot imagine what they must have went through. So we're just here offering support in the best way that we can.
From repairing roofs to rebuilding hope, this partnership between the Jamaica diaspora in Atlanta and the KSAMC shows the power of unity in times of crisis. It's a shining example of how giving back can change lives, one community at a time. With your Ray of Hope, I'm Yannick Williams.
Ray of Hope, brought to you by
Quartz has what you need to make home yours. Easy payment plans using Quartz Ready Finance. Quartz, make home yours.